my wife recently asked for some cedar planter boxes that we can hang on the wall or fence. And so that's today's project. We're making some planter boxes, but we're going to spice them up. This isn't your ordinary planter box. We're going to have some designs on the front. You want to stick around to see how we do it? Let's get going. Okay, we've got our planters all built. This is just the basic box, and it's nailed and glued. Our next step is we're going to sand the sides because you can hear it. Ooh, they're rough. So we want to get them smooth because that'll be easier surface to be putting our designs on. On the first design, we're going to make a sun pattern on our planter. Now, you could make any pattern you want using this method. All we're going to do, design something in Illustrator, print it out, use some contact adhesive to attach it to wood, cut that stuff out. I think I cut it out with a jigsaw, and then take it to the sander, sand it to the final size. And then all you do is glue, nail it on. So I don't want the design to be out of the same material, like thickness wise. So I'm going to take this to the planer and we'll plane it down as thin as I can get it, which is about 3/16 on my planer. You don't have to do this. You can have your design stick out more. I'm just being particular. All right, the second one is going to be the hardest one yet, and it is going to be a herringbone pattern, which is honestly a little crazy that we're doing this. It's going to be the most labor intensive and hardest one to do, mainly because I'm not doing the herringbone pattern across. I'm going to do it vertical, so getting it all lined up is not going to be easy. But we'll jump into it. Same method as before. We're going to plane down our stuff, cut it into little rectangles, like 1 by 3.5, something like that. We'll figure it out as we go. And then let's just glue and nail down with our pattern. So let's get on it. All right, while I love the look of the herringbone, I think I need to put some trim around it. I think that'll really set this thing off and honestly, like, make a picture frame. Like, this is what you're looking at. This is a piece of art. I know this is a planter box. That's crazy, but we're here. Let's have some fun. All right, for our last planter, we're going to make like a labeling system, if you will. So imagine you got your planter here, and then we're going to have 3 trading cards on the front. Now, this one's definitely the easiest because all you got to do is cut up your little trading card, if you will, a little, I don't know, let's say 3 by 4 inch. And what we'll do from that is take it to the laser engraver, and I've just found some images online, traced them in my software, and we're just going to laser engrave them. You may have noticed that on the top of those little labeling cards, I cut out a circle. Now what I have in mind there is a interchangeable system. So I've got some threaded inserts that will allow us to screw stuff in the fall. We could take it out, make a new card, put our mum card in the fall. So that's what we got. Let's throw those threaded inserts in. We are done with the planters. All that's left is to hang them and fill them up with soil and flowers and all the good stuff. But before we do that, I was going to ask if you would comment below your favorite. Is it the sun, the herringbone, or the labeling system? I thought it was going to be the sun in the beginning of this, but the herringbone really won me over. But let me know what you think. Also, if you like this kind of stuff, subscribe. Love if you like the video. Thanks for watching.